Summer's always a weird time for me. I find it hard to properly switch off from the grind, trying to be creative, also building the business, coaching, filming. I don't like not being productive. Sometimes, though, the most productive thing to do is to do nothing. To just sit and be for a bit. But then I check the swell, and I mean that 30 minutes of relaxation is enough for now. You doing your breathing exercises?
Yeah, mate. It's fucking pretty big out there.
I always get nervous on mornings like this. Do well with it when they have that coaching. Haha! Oh, what's this? Nice and shallow. Careful, bro. The eddy! Woo. Ah! Little set coming. First one? Nah, I reckon second one. Oh, that was almost. Not bad. Here we go. Yeah, boys, we're on. Alright, where is it going to go? I reckon I'm in a good spot here.
One way wonder. Really worth getting the birdie off the roof.
Sometimes I just find that in between the solid days, you kind of just need like a break to just go and play on some little playful waves. It's so stimulating surfing heavy waves and getting barrels. So I just get overwhelmed. So these little sessions are just beautiful to mix it up. Time to go have some brekkie. Get off our porch.
What's that?
Get off our porch.
My porch.
What are you eating?
Making me some.
I thought you were having wraps.
I had a wrap. Now I'm having. And then Cal probably make me some eggs. Coffee going on.
100%.
Of course.
Say no vibe berry though.
Now, the product.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, I'm really happy with it.
That's alright. It's just an eating shop. Only a surfer knows true hunger. And there's nothing more satisfying than coming in and eating good food after a surf.
Holy fuck. Yeah, this bloke has got some legs on him. Get away from this. This bloke is putting on a clinic. Oh, that was fucked. Heavy out the back. Whoa.
I live a paradoxical existence. The core surfer in me hates filming all my sessions. That soft voice in the back of my mind that makes me aware of the camera really does take away a part of that special flow state we get to experience whilst riding a wave. The storyteller in me, though, loves it. It's an exciting thrill having planned a shot when the elements all come together and executing that shot to share it with you guys. That's a nice feeling too. And it's this somewhat uninteresting push and pull, yin and yang, that may be the very point of it all anyway. And me teetering in between and balancing the two is kind of a fun thing to do.